So we're up in the attic and we had this structure fire here. And when you have a structure fire, the heat pushes the smoke up into the attic and it affects the insulation up there. And a lot of times the smoke will then force its way down through the walls and come out any place there's a crack or a hole in a wall because of the pressure. So we're gonna need to remove all the insulation up here in this attic. We're gonna have to scrub it all down. We're gonna have to encapsulate it to make sure that we get rid of the odor, and we'll probably have to use an ozone generator to make sure that we get all the smoke odor out of this attic. You see the insulation is really dirty. It's got a lot of smoke and soot on it. Pan up the wall. The 2x4 looks okay, but then when you get to the ceiling, you can see where all the smoke came through from the garage and was forced into the attic area. So that's what we're dealing with up here. And it's open down into the house now.